Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi loved playing with her colorful blocks. Red, blue, yellow. Zoom went her toy car. Suddenly, Mommy called, "Mimi, cleanup time." Mimi looked around. Oh dear, toys were everywhere. Mimi felt a little flutter in her tummy. The mess looked like a big, scary monster. Her teddy bear was under a pile of blocks. Her crayons were scattered like tiny, sleepy worms. "It's too much," she whispered, wanting to hide. Mommy knelt down. "It's okay to feel a little bit scared, sweetie," she said softly. "But even brave grown-ups help clean up. Let's pretend the toy box is a hungry monster, and we feed it one block at a time." Mimi took a deep breath. She picked up one red block. Plink, it went into the box. Then a blue one. Plink. Then she found her teddy bear and tucked him into his bed. "I can do it," she giggled, feeling a tiny spark of bravery grow inside. Soon, the monster mess was gone. The room was sparkling clean. Mimi smiled big. "I did it, Mommy," she cheered. Mommy gave her a big hug. "You were so brave, Mimi, and helping clean up is wonderful manners."